from R.D. Sharma, class 6 mathematics, in that chapter number 6 fraction, in that exercise 6.9. Now here first one we have to add, but first in exercise 6.8 what we are doing, they had given us a like denominator. Now these are the unlike, means different denominator it is there. So how we have to do, let us do this. Now this is your question. First of all, question 1 we have to add it. So 3 upon 4 plus 5 upon 6. Now this denominator we have to make same, then only we can plus it. So what we will do, first we will take out the LCM of 4 and 6. So LCM of 4 and 6 is 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 1s are 3 and 3 1s are. Okay, so LCM is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Therefore LCM equal to 12. So 4 into 3 and 6 into 2. So what we will get, equal to 3 3s are 9 upon 12 plus 5 2s are 10 upon 12 is then same denominator. Now we can plus the numerator. So 9 plus 10 upon 12. So equal to 19 upon 12. We can't cancel this, right? 19 upon 12 we can't cancel it. So answer is 19 upon 12. Now let us see the third one. Now here it is 8 upon 13 and 2 upon 3. So first of all we write, we have to add it. So 8 upon 13 and 2 upon 3. This we have to take out the LCM. So 3 and 13. So 13 into 3 is, take out the LCM, 13 3. Okay, 3 13 as it is 1s are and 13 1s are. Okay, so LCM equal to 13 into 3 is 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. 39 is the LCM. So with 13 we have to multiply 3 and with 3 we have to multiply 13. So 8 into 3 is 24 upon 39 plus 13 into 2 is 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 26 upon 39. So equal to, now numerator plus it, upon 39. So equal to 6 plus 4 is 10, 1 2 plus 2 4 and 5, 50 upon 39. Now we can't cancel this, so answer is 50 upon 39. Now question number 2 we have to subtract. First one, 2 upon 7 from 19 upon 21. So first we will write this second term, right? So 19 upon 21 minus 2 upon 7. Now if it is minus or plus, we have to make the denominator same. So same step, we have to take out the LCM of 7 and 21. So 7 and 21. Now 3 7 as it is, 7s are 21 and 7 1s are. So what is the LCM? 7 3s is 21 is the LCM. So 21 into 1 and 7 into 3. Now 19 upon 21 minus 2 3s are 6 upon 21. So equal to 19 minus 6 upon 21. Now 19 minus 6 is 13. 9 minus 6 is 3 and 1 as it is. So 13 upon 21. So answer is 13 upon 21 because we can't cancel it. Let us see third one. Now third one question is 7 upon 16 from 2. Now first we have to write 2 minus 7 upon 16. Here nothing means here 1, right? LCM is simple 16 only. So we'll multiply this in 16. So equal to 16 into 2, 6 2s are 12, 1 2 1s are 2, 32 upon 16 minus 16 into 1, 7 upon 16. So equal to 32 minus 7 upon 16 equal to 32 minus 7 is 25 upon 16 is the 25 upon 16 is the answer. Now 13 minus 24 and 7 upon 16. Find the difference. First number, what we have to write? 13 upon 24 minus 7 upon 16. Now 13 upon 24 minus 7 upon 16. First of all, we'll take out this LCM. Okay, so LCM of 24 and 16. So 2 1s are 2s are 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 4s are 2 3s are 6, 2s are 2 3 1 and 3 1s are. So the LCM equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 and 16 3s are 48. Now here with 24 we have to multiply with 2 and with 16 we have to multiply with 3. Okay, so they're equal to 13 into 2 is 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are 2 upon 48 minus 7 3s are 21 upon 48. So equal to 26 minus 21 upon 48. So equal to 5 upon 48. So answer is 5 upon 48. Number 4, subtract as indicate. Now second one, 4 2 upon 5 minus 2 1 upon 5. First of all, this mixed fraction will convert into improper fraction. So 4 5s are 10, 20. 20 plus 2 is 22 upon 5 minus 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1 11 upon 5. Now your denominator is same. So directly we can write 22 upon 11 upon 5, which is equal to 11 upon 5 is the answer. Okay, now let us do the fourth one. Now 4 4s are is 16, 16 plus 6 19 upon 4 minus 6 2s are 12 plus 1 is 13 upon 6. Now LCM of 4 and 6, 4 and 6, 2 2s are 3 and 2 1s are 3, 3 1s are. So LCM equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So here 4 into 3 and 6 into 2. Then we have to multiply with 19 also. So 9 3s are 27 and 3 1s are 3, 4 5. 57 upon 12 minus 13 into 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2 upon 12. So which is equal to 57 minus 26 upon 12. So answer is 7 minus 6 is 1 and 5 minus 2 is 3. So equal to upon 12. So 31 upon 12 is the answer. Question number 5. Simplify 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. Now here 3 fractions are there. Then also the same thing we have to do. First we will take out the LCM and do the denominator same. So 3 4 2. 2 3 as it is, 2s are 1s are 2 1s are 1s are and 3 1 1. Okay, so LCM equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 is the LCM. So 3 into 4, 4 into 3 and 2 into 6. So equal to 4 2s are 8 upon 12 plus 9 upon 12 plus 6 1s are 6 upon 12. So equal to plus, now denominators are same. So 8 plus 9 plus 6 upon 12. So which is equal to 8 plus 9 is 17, 17 plus 6 is 23 upon 12 is the answer. Now third one, 3 upon 10, 7 upon 15 and 3 upon 5. First of all, we'll take out the LCM of these three. So 10, 15 and 5. So 2 5s are 15 as it is and 5 as this is. 3 5, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are and 1s are. Okay, So the LCM equal to 5 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Then here we have to multiply with 3, 3 times are 30, 15 2s are 30 and 5 6 are 30. Therefore equal to 3 3s are 9 upon 30 plus 14 upon 30 plus 6 3s are 18 upon 30. Now again plus 9 plus 14 plus 18 upon 30. So equal to 9 plus 14 is 23 and 23 plus 18 is 41 upon 30. Now question number 5th one. 4 2 upon 3 plus 3 1 upon 4 plus 7 1 upon 2. So first of all we'll convert this mixed fraction into improper. 4 3s are 12, 13, 14 upon 3 plus 3 4s are 12 plus 1 is 13 upon 4 plus 7 2s are 14, 15 upon 2. Now first of all we'll take out the LCM of 3, 4 and 2. So 2, 3 as it is, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1 and 3, 1, 1, 1. So the LCM equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 3 into 4, 4 into 3 and 2 into 6 is the LCM. Now 14 into 4. Now 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4 and 5. 56 upon 12 plus 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3 upon 12. 39 upon 12 plus 6 15 upon 6 is 6 3 5 3s are 30, 6 1s are 6, 7 8 9, 90 upon 12. So which is equal to 56 plus 39 plus 90 upon 12, which is equal to 56 plus 39 is 95, 95 plus 90 is 185 upon 12 is the answer. 185 upon 12 is the answer. Now 7 plus 1 upon 4 7 upon 4 plus 5 1 upon 6. Now only this fraction we have to convert in improper. So let us do it. 7 near in the denominator nothing means 1 plus 7 upon 4 plus 5 6 are 30, 31 upon 6. Now LCM of 4 and 6. So 2 2s are 3s are 2 1s are 3 as it is and 3 1s are. Okay. So the LCM equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 4 into 3 and 6 into 2 and 1 into 12. 7 into 12. 7 2s are 14, 7 1s are 7, 8 upon 12 plus 7 3s are 21 upon 12 plus 31 2s are 2 1s are 2, 6, 3 2s are 6, 62 upon 12. So 84 plus 21 plus 62 upon 12. Now 84 plus 21 is 105 plus 62 is 167 upon 12. Now 7 upon 18 plus 5 upon 6 plus 1 upon 1 upon 12. Now this we have to convert into improper fraction. So let us do it. 7 upon 18 plus 5 upon 6 plus 12 ones are 12 and 13 upon 12. So this we have to take out LCM. So 18, 6 and 12. 2 9s are 18, 3s are 6 and 6 are 12. Again 2, 9 as it is, 3 as it is and 3s are 6. 3 3s are 1 1 and 3 1s are 1 1. Now LCM equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 and 12 3s are 36. So 18 here multiplication is 2, 18 into 2, 6 into 6 and 12 into 3. 12 3s is 36. Okay. Now 7 2s are 14 upon 36 plus 6 5s are 30 upon 36 plus 13 3s are 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3 upon 36, which is equal to 14 plus 30 plus 39 upon 36, which is equal to 14 plus 30 is 44 plus 39 83 upon 36 is the answer. Ravish take 1/5 minutes to walk across the school ground and Rahul takes 7/4 minutes to do the same. Who take less time and by what fraction? Now here what we have to do, first of all this minute we have to convert in improper fraction. This is given in mixed fraction. So let us write the statement that time taken by Ravish. Now time taken by Ravish is how much? 1/5 minutes. So we'll convert this into improper. 5 to the 10, 11/5 minute. Now another thing what we have given time taken by Rahul, which is 7/4 minute. Okay. Now these two we got. Now what we have to find, that who take less time. Now for the who take less time, we have to compare this 11/5 and 7/5. So comparing 11/5 and 7/4. Okay, so first of all comparing we have to make the denominator same. So let us do with an LCM. LCM is 20. So 4 5 into 4 and 4 into 5. So 11 4s are 44 upon 20 and 7 5s are 35 upon 20. Now denominator are same. So 44 is greater than 35. So 44 upon 30 is greater than 35 upon 20. Now what we had asked, who take less time. So less time who had taken this 35 upon 20, which is 7/4 minute, right? So time taken by Rahul, which is less. So what our statement is, Rahul takes less time. Okay. Now 11/5 is greater than 7/4. Therefore Rahul takes less time. Okay, 7/4 is less, so Rahul take less time. And by what fraction? For the what fraction we have to minus this, right? So we can take directly whichever the LCM. First of all I am writing that 11/5 minus 7/4, which is equal to, we had done LCM, so I am writing from that only, 44 upon 20 minus 35 upon 20. So equal to 44 minus 35 upon 20. So equal to 44 minus 35 is, so that is 9 upon 20. So by how much fraction they take less time? By 9 upon 20 minutes. Is left for the Rahul take less time by 9 upon 20 minutes. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.